Hi, this is Nicole, and I'm going to be making a chocolate martini. First things first, we're going to ice the martini glass. Always chill the glass. Nothing worse than pouring a nice cold drink into a warm glass. Okay, now we are going to build the drink. There we go. Start off with a good vodka. I like Belvedere. My personal preference, we're going to do 2 parts. Again, I'm using jiggers. You don't have to. Just so you know that it's 2 parts to about 1.5 parts. Any chocolate liqueur, you can also use Godiva. If you like more of a heavier chocolate taste, you can definitely use more. Everything is to taste, so because I'm using this dark chocolate, I'm gonna also add some cream. If you use a different brand like Godiva, it's already got sort of a creamy texture to it. You can also add Bailey's if you want. I like a really creamy texture. I'm gonna go 2 parts cream. We're gonna shake up the martini. As I spill it on myself. And make sure it's nice and cold. Pour right into the nice chilled glass. And you are all set, chocolate martini.